The stand is easy to assemble and only requires a Phillips head screwdriver. The box contains the pre-assembled tripod base, the bottom tube, the top tube, and the dispenser bracket. Begin by laying out the tripod base, the two tube sections, the dispenser bracket, and the fasteners. The bottom tube can be identified as one end has a smaller diameter than the other. Depress the push button and assemble the bottom tube with the tripod base. Next, take the top tube, depress the push button, and assemble it with the bottom tube. Finally, align the top bracket with the screw holes on the top tube. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, attach the top bracket to the top tube on both the front and back of the tube. Now the stand is ready to have your hand sanitizer dispenser mounted. Use the bolts and nuts supplied to select the best mounting holes for your dispenser. If you have selected a gallon jug ready model with a 6-inch drip tray, then you can set your gallon jug on the stand and attach the Velcro strap. Now you're ready to go.